Finger family.
Samuel. For many years, the prophet Samuel guided the Israelites according to God's word. However, as Samuel grew older, the Israelites decided that they needed a king to rule them. God was displeased that they were turning from him and told Samuel to give them a warning. "A king will make slaves of you and your children," said Samuel. "One day you will beg the Lord to save you from your king, but he will not heed you." The Israelites refused to listen and chose Saul to be their king. At first, Saul was a wise ruler, and God helped him win battles against the Philistines. But he grew proud and arrogant and began to forget God's commandments. God told Samuel to travel to Bethlehem. Here lived Jesse, the grandson of Ruth and Boaz. God had chosen David, Jesse's youngest son, to be the new king.
If you like the video,
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.